over here. Car wash with Gio and Isaac. There's Isaac. Okay. There's Gio. And where's Ibra? Oh, Ibra's right there. So look at this. Oh my God. This is so scary. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Chill out, man. We're good. No, I don't think so. What is that? It looks like worms. Ah! It looks like snakes. Like snakes are trying to eat us. So yeah, okay, now this is like a waterfall. I like this part. It's so relaxing. What happens if you bring down the window? What happened?
Now
I want to see what happens.
if you open the window, you be soaking wet.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't believe you. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so cool, man. So yeah, welcome to Car Wash with Gio, with Isaac, and Mr. Ibra. Ibra, say something, punk.
Put the window down.
No, we're gonna get wet.
I told you.
Wow, that's how it sounds when you jump up in the air.
Oh yeah.
Only skydivers know this sound. So if you're not a skydiver, you can relate. Alright, that's it. Now let's vacuum this mother flower.
You have kisses right here.
Yeah, that's why I say mother flower. Son of a fish.
You funny.
Oh, look at that girl. Look at that girl over there.
Yeah.
Look at what she's doing. What do you want me to do? Not look? I'm not gay.
Hola, man.
Wow.
Oh, te lo
Hey, baby.
Very
Yeah.
delicious.
That's perverted. That's perverted, Isaac. That is perverted.